Ayun, may Jordan dito. Ayun, oh. So what's up, this is Bertam Gio again. Sasabing ba walang tamad. Yo, nandito tayo sa mall. Siyempre, tingin tayo ng sapatos. Tingnan natin kung makabili tayo ng sapatos. Okay, let's go. So there we go, dyan tayo pupunta. Titignan natin kung makakita tayo ng sapatos. Let's go.
Yeah, that's why you like.
Ano, maganda. Sale na yan ah. Tingnan natin ito ano. Oh, ito. Ano ito ah. Ito, pink oh. Ito kaya, kunin natin. Si Melo oh. Hi.
Hey, I can help you with there now.
Ito kaya. Ganda rin to. Imuran to. So dating ano to, dating sale yata to eh. Yan. Dating 170. 29 na ngayon. Ayun, may Jordan dito. Ayun oh. So dating 173 no. So nakakuha tayo ng ganito. Pero ibabalik na. Parang meron na kasi akong ganito kaya susuli natin mamaya. Palit natin ng ano. Nangita na lang siguro. Number 12. Tara na. Pero syempre bago natin kukunin, tatry muna natin. Dito. So, pinilit ko. Hindi kasya. So ayan mga ka-ice cream ano. Meron tayo dito, papalit natin. Ayan. Tingnan natin. Para magkita yung papalit natin ha. Ayan o, nabili natin to. Ayan o. So ayaw ko yung ano, kulay na. At isa pa, mayroon na tayong ano, ganyan na shoes. So palit na natin. Dito tayo sa store. Ulit natin. Gusto nila. So, dito na tayo.
Returning or
Yeah,
exchange?
just exchange maybe.
Okay.
Yeah.
What size are you looking for?
Size 10, but it's not the same
A
style.
different, okay.
Yeah, maybe I'll just get the
Yeah.
other style there.
Okay.
Okay.
So do you just want to return this for now?
Yeah,
Okay.
sure. So ayan, finish na natin. Hanap tayo ng ano, shorts. So parang ito, mas maganda ito, no? Try natin. Kaya nga, size 10 of this? Yeah.
Sure. We actually don't. It'd be 8, 8.5, 10.5, 11.
Oh, I don't know.
Was there like another color maybe?
How about this? What color is this?
Yeah, we got a 10.
10?
Yeah. So we got 3? Or still signing?
Is
Is it a present?
no, it's for me. Yeah. So it's nice too, right?
Yeah, those are nice. We did get some new mellows there. I'm not a Scooby-Doo fan though.
I know.
No.
Oh, this one is. So this one is not sale or same?
No, everything with the red tag is on sale, but those would be regular price.
Okay. 60. So regular daw to.
The 10 for these?
Size 10, yeah.
For sure, I'll grab you.
Sure. Thank you. So ayan mga ka-ice cream ano. Size 10 ang kinuha natin. Wala yung ano. Wala itong blue pink. Sayang oh. Ganda pa naman oh. So wait na naman tayo guys. Wait. Ayan. Sana okay sa paa. Ayan, sale lang mga sapatos ngayon. Kasi Black Friday. Ito yung ginawa natin. Dating ano, 170, 120. Yun, nandito pala. Oh.
Actually, no tens in the back.
Oh.
It's a 10.5.
Here. Oh, it's different.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
I have a 10 for these ones.
Oh,
They were
like
just
9.5.
9.5. Yeah, do you want to see that?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, sure. Let's try. Show me.
Actually, not for 10 here.
Okay.
It's on the counter, yeah.
Okay. Let's try this one. Sana ako isa pa. Bigas, man. Dito boy, oh. Dito. So ayan guys, nakarip itong size 10 na lang ko natin. Maganda sa paa yung size 10. Kasi dito, maluwang yung size 9. And then, magsikip. Ayan. So, ayan. So mayroon tayo. Size 10. So yeah, just get this size 10. Yeah.
There when you're ready.
Thank you so much. So ayan, babayad ulit tayo ng cash. Kasi kita na naman tayo sa sapatos. Kaipon na naman tayo sa sapatos. Ah,
Which one?
size 10.
10?
Yeah, the mellow 12.
The giant ones?
Yeah.
What was the number in the top?
204. So ayan, mukha natin. Hindi ko tayo nagkasalanan. Okay, thank you. So ayan, tapos na tayo guys. So ito si Boy Tamad ang nagsasabing bawal ng tamad. Yo, and peace for now.